Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make clear slime. Ingredients needed are water, clear glue, baking soda, and contact solution. So first, you get your clear glue and you're just going to pour it into the bowl. And you're going to pour your baking soda in. And after you pour your baking soda in, you want to mix it. Keep mixing. Keep going. And then you want to add your water. Don't add too much though, because it might mess up. And then mix that. Keep mixing it until it's all mixed in. But it's not gonna be looking like slime yet. You're gonna add your contact solution, that's your activator. So, and you have to keep adding activator or contact solution because it's not gonna be slime, well kinda, but it's gonna be sticky. And I'm gonna keep mixing until it's all mixed in, and it's not really turning into slime because I'm not really adding any more baking soda, but I will because I kind of found out that baking soda makes your slime thicker. And in a little bit here, I'm gonna add more baking soda because it wasn't thickening up because it kind of looks like a liquid now. But now I'm gonna add baking soda. And when I added baking soda, that helped a lot. And then I kept adding contact solution. And to make it not sticky. Oh, and don't add too much water. I think I already said that, but so it's all done, and I'm gonna play with it. I'm poking it, and and then poking it, playing with it, and then my dad's gonna come in, and dun 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 dun, he's gonna throw it on the table. Almost there, and it's there. Okay, bye. Um, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like down below. Bye.